Hi, this is Sho.
And this is Linnea. Welcome back to our channel. On this channel, we're teaching easy English phrases for you to learn, so if you're interested in that, make sure to keep watching.
Right, so the phrase is this one.
It is... I had to go to the doctor's and now my money has run out.
Yep.
So what is that in Japanese?
お医者に行かなくちゃなんなくて、もうすっからかんだよ。
So this is what you would say most likely in the US when you're going to a doctor's office and you might not have insurance, or you don't have good insurance, and then you would say, oh, my money has run out, essentially. So run out, it means just like there's no more, essentially.
I can say run over.
No run over. That means like you get hit by a car.
Yes. But
Yeah,
maybe
be careful.
with this context, maybe people understand, no? Because run over, that means dead, done, no?
I would...
Over. Maybe if I say this context, maybe, no?
No, people would be confused, sorry.
Nope.
Yeah.
So no run over.
It has to be run out, yeah.
Yes, run out. Yes, actually, very expensive here, as everyone knows.
Yes.
America and doctor fee, it's ridiculous.
America is apparently #1 in everything, including the price of going to the doctors.
Yep.
Yeah.
And how many people? 27 million don't have a state insurance here, right?
I mean, state insurance doesn't exist.
Yes.
Except there's Medicare and Medicaid, but that's it.
What's happening? Obamacare.
I think
doesn't go well.
they might have repealed some of it since Trump has been elected.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it doesn't go well, huh?
I mean, it still exists, I think, but they got rid of some of it, I heard.
Have you paid a lot of money for a doctor in your life?
Myself, no, because I haven't really needed to, but how about you?
Yeah, I did one time. Lung collapsion, high kill.
Yeah.
Yeah, suddenly my lung collapsed, and I had to go
That's
to
scary.
emergency. Yes, and I stayed 1 week there, and they charged me 50,000.
Yeah.
Yes, 500万円.
Yeah, that sounds average.
That's a lot. Yes.
Even one night in the hospital, I've heard people had to pay thousands and thousands of dollars.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's amazing.
It's the most expensive hotel ever.
Yeah. I saw later, and I took ambulance, maybe 10 minutes ride. It's $800.
Yeah.
And each night to stay at the hospital. It's a kind of dormitory though, and 8 people. And even I could not go bathroom. I had to share pee in front of the 8 people, you know. And
it's uncomfortable.
Then every night $300. That's expensive, isn't it?
It's very expensive.
Yes, like $300. You can stay at Manhattan at night, like a very good hotel.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. And most
$300 a night actually sounds cheap, though.
Yeah.
Most people, it's actually much more.
But dormitory, the 8 people, though.
I know, but still, usually it's a lot more just because it's a
How much they
hospital.
gonna make for one night?
A lot.
So 2,400. Yeah, it's ridiculous. And of course, anesthesia costs like 10,000. I had a surgery to fix my lung.
Yeah.
So one time surgery and just anesthesia fee like 10,000. That's a lot. Right?
It's amazing.
Yeah. And the worst things to hear. So each kind of detailed things, a company different. So different company and give me what's a receipt? No. Actually they
Bill?
charge. Yeah, bill. So all the different company give me the bill. So in a month a lot. Company all time bill. Each time it's time, open it as a bill. It was very bad for the mentally actually.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah. Actually here, I now recognize though, at the time I didn't know that. But if you don't make much money, actually you don't have to pay. Right?
I mean, it depends completely on the situation.
I mean, welfare system here is very good. So if you can show though, if you don't make money, actually you don't have to pay actually. So all the charity money and each hospital has it. If you can prove though. if you're working in an office, you're done.
Yeah, but I think that's only for like people who make very little money.
Yeah,
You know, like
yeah.
if you're a middle class person, you get that kind of bill, you're still gonna have a very hard time though.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
because
mean,
most middle class people in the U.S. or a large portion can't pay their bills like only month to month.
Yeah.
So if you get a hospital bill, that's actually a huge burden though.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
I think mostly if you are Japanese and coming from Japan, most of them are just tourists. So tourists cannot prove, So everything, how much you make money and stuff. So I think they just can't say, hey, I don't have money, sorry. But have to write down, I cannot pay because I don't have money, and sign it. So is that okay?
Maybe. I've heard cases of tourists having huge bills still, and they still have to pay it though.
Really?
Yeah.
They're gonna chase to Japan?
I mean, it depends completely on the situation again. But I've heard of cases like that happening.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, might be. Some of them pay, if they pay, but they're not expecting. I feel like
If you don't have to go to the doctors in the U.S., don't go.
yeah.
Yeah.
Even for us, if sometimes I have to go to the doctor, she is scaled by how much you are earning. So most of the hospitals take like that. So if I can prove how much I can make money, they're gonna give you a discount, right?
Yeah, again, it depends on the situation completely. Yeah. But, even despite that, a lot of people have insurance here. They still have to pay like $500 a month or something like that, you know?
Yep.
And even you don't get all the benefits and stuff.
Yep.
I know I'm just talking bad about the US, but the healthcare system's broken. Yeah.
So maybe definitely if you come to the United States, the insurance from Japan, that's the best.
Yeah, I mean, if someone's working at a company, maybe they have insurance already. I'm not 100% sure though.
So anyway, you should get insurance from Japan. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, please careful. Okay, so you're gonna repeat today's phrase again.
Yes. I'll say it slowly first and then we'll get a little bit faster each time we go along. I had to go to the doctors and now my money has run out. Okay, a little bit faster now. I had to go to the doctors and now my money has run out. Okay, one more time at normal speed. I had to go to the doctors and now my money has run out. And that's it.
Okay.
How'd you do? Did you do okay?
That's good.
So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like. And if you're interested in seeing more English learning videos like this one, feel free to subscribe to our channel. If you have any suggestions for one of our next videos, we would also appreciate it if you leave a comment down below.
何かコメント等がありましたら、質問の中に残していただければお答えします。それとチャンネル登録もよろしくお願いいたします。
Thank you. See you next time.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.